note things.
Appreciate it. All right, let's bring it back. Back to the future.
Gotta hydrate and stay out of the sun.
Hydrate.
That's how we look after being outside for a few minutes.
I'll tell you
my
what,
goodness.
yeah, sun damage is a real thing. And speaking of staying hydrated, stay hydrated in this heat. It is
Got that
brutal
right.
out there,
Yeah.
and unfortunately, it's only going to get worse before it gets any better. The worst of the heat is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today's bad, but it's kind of like the appetizer. The main course is still to come, and I do have some complaints for the manager about that one. Let's take a look outside right now. We'll start you off down the shore where you can see a lot of people are beating the heat. They are on the beach right now, and we have umbrellas up, people in the water, cooling off there in Ocean City. Feeling pretty nice. That's the place to be. It's still hot down the shore, don't get me wrong, but doesn't feel nearly as bad as it does in the city and throughout the urban areas because you're getting at least a little bit of a breeze off the water. Temperatures right now, it's 95 in Philadelphia, it's 96 in Dover, 93 in Lancaster, 90 in Wildwood, and 91 at the Atlantic City Airport. Down the shore, it's hot, but you can see winds are off the water, so along the immediate sand, it feels okay, but you head even downtown. You head from the beach to 96th Street in Stone Harbor, you are roasting. You head to do some shopping in Cape May, roasting. Same story about the Ocean City Boardwalk, and make sure you wear shoes on the boardwalk because those boards will get very, very hot, blisteringly hot. You want shoes on pool decks and everything over the next couple of days. Should always have some sort of water shoe on there because it can burn your feet pretty quickly, especially with heat like this. Storm Scan 3 does show some storms. They are firing off to the west right now, and in fact we have a line of severe storms just starting to push toward Lancaster and Chester counties. Right now it's dry, but you can see this line of storms west of D.C. Very strong winds, very heavy rain, and lots of lightning, and these storms are lifting gradually to the north-northeast and will head through our area as we go through the evening and tonight. Greatest risk for heavy thunderstorms right now is in our northernmost suburbs. A few are right now pushing into the Poconos. You can see a lot of lightning poised to hit Mount Pocono shortly. No warnings with these just yet, but heavy rain, frequent lightning, and of course some isolated damaging winds will be likely through tonight. So future precipitation shows the line of storms that's near D.C. will likely move through the city around 8 o'clock and could produce some quick ponding on the roads, possibly even some flash flooding. It looks like they will be moving at a decent clip, so I don't think it's as widespread as what we had last week, but still, be careful, and if you get that flash flood alert on your phone, stay off the roads, never drive through water on the roadways. We'll have another round of showers and storms into the overnight hours, and then more storms fire up during the day tomorrow. So low risk for tornadoes here tonight, but a moderate risk for damaging wind, low risk for hail. The biggest risks here with tonight's storms, lightning, and again, those intense downpours. Overnight, the storms around even through the overnight hours, 76 the overnight low. Tomorrow hot, but not as hot as today. Tomorrow is possibly a tiny little break from the heat, from the worst of the heat at least. It looks like we'll keep the heat index values in at least the double digits. Still very hot, but the worst comes Friday into Saturday and Sunday with heat index values as high as 110 as we get into Friday. Saturday, the high 100. The heat index value Saturday will reach 115 degrees. That is going to be the worst of it, and Sunday is no picnic either, with temperatures once again in the upper 90s, feeling like the triple digits. Storms come through Sunday night into Monday, and that will finally break the worst of the heat. Looks like Tuesday and Wednesday of next week will bring some sweet relief with temperatures back in the mid-80s, but we've still got a long stretch of heat to get through, at least 4 more days of brutal heat, 3 of them feeling as hot as 110 plus.
Well, please check on each other. Please check on each other.
Yeah.
Indeed. Okay. Thank you, Kate. Appreciate it.